Hello, this sample video is a video which is supposed to assist us in installing XAMPP server on Linux, XAMPP version 7, which can be gotten from a web page here, this URL, and also you can pick any of this variation of XAMPP. XAMPP is a combination of Apache, MySQL, and PHP combination to host websites and web applications. So let's go ahead with now uploading the binary which I've already downloaded from the site into our virtual machine which I have open here. And first we need FileZilla to do the transfer. Here it is. So we connect to FileZilla, connect as the root user to send the file. So the file is located somewhere here. Let's see if I can find it. I've already downloaded it. Yeah, here it is. So I upload it onto the server. You can see when I go on the server, I don't really see the file here. Let's open terminal in here. Okay, file transfer completed. Okay, we do ls-lit to locate the file, which is there, right there below the screen here. I don't mind, it looks like it's unexecutable. We can't execute this file, so we have to change the permissions on it to make it executable. Let's try again. Okay, it's executable, so we call it by execute run the installer exactly where it is. It will take a couple of minutes for it to, a couple of seconds or minutes to show you the GUI required for the installation. So we can just skip this video for a little moment. When it pops up, we continue from there. Okay, here comes the installer. Here we go. Click next. I'm installing all the core files and the development tools. Remember what the folder this installer is going into: opt and lamp. You can opt to have this information to learn more about XAMPP, or skip it. I prefer to skip it. So the installation has begun. As you can see here, XAMPP is an easy to install Apache distribution containing MySQL, PHP, and Perl. You can use XAMPP for a lot of web applications using WordPress, Drupal, Joomla, and all other a lot of content management sites. It's unpacking the files and installation is ongoing. I'll skip a little for the installer to run in the background and come back to it when it's getting to the end. Almost there. It's getting close to the end of the installer. Okay, the installation is almost completed. I just have to wait a little while to get it done. Quit out of the FileZilla. Finally, the installation has completed. I'm not going to launch XAMPP yet because I need to secure the site and set up other components. See you in the next video.